Oh, right. Oh, sorry. Hello. Welcome to the Ed Shed, guys, where things happen. Where all sorts of things happen. Now, Frankenstarter. Now, it's an Austin Healey one, which wouldn't work. So I had another Jaguar over there. So I've taken the starter motor apart and I've changed the front cover and used the old internals of the new one. Whether it's going to work, I don't know. But you guys are going to be the first to see it. Now, obviously, I also changed the pinion in it for a 10 tooth, which is not a 9. It had an 8 in one, 9, and I changed it to a 10 now. Now, the reason I changed it to a 10 is because when I looked in it originally, it didn't look like it was going to fit. So, we are now going to try, and see if it will crank over. I know you guys are anxiously awaiting this, like with bated breath. So am I. Do you know when you want a bit of wire in a shed this big, you can't find one with a spade terminal on? I obviously don't want to try. I'm going to try and do this speed carefully. So carefully. Oh, for silently crying out sake! Right. Stop. I'm getting frustrated with it in a minute.
What about that one?
What is it?
The brown one.
Have you got a spade on?
I think it has, isn't it?
No.
It hasn't. It's got a spade joining up another piece.
Right, look, it doesn't matter because I only want to just touch it on. So actually, I need a little short piece, so I'll just take a little short bit. Because I'm only going to touch it from the main terminal light, just to energise the thing. Now, we've also got another issue which we found, which is the gearbox. We don't know whether the gear lever is working. So that's another little issue. But anyway, for the moment, Frankenmotor is going to see whether she cranks over with this starter. Now, it's either going to make a lot of horrible noises because it's too far in, and I need to put the spacer plate in, which is up here somewhere, which I've forgotten to use, or it'll be fine. No, it's there, look, there it is. There's the spare. Now, normally they got one of these in there, and I think I should have put it in, but anyway, with Frankenmotor, I don't know. Ready? What did that sound like to you? I mean, the battery's dead anyway, the sunken over battery. But that definitely clicked, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You know that endoscopy torch thing? You know the thing I mean? It's like, you know, it's an endoscopy. It came from Lidl with a bloody thing on it. If you got in there and went to the end of that hole in the Bellhousing housing, you could see whether that's actually engaging, whether it's still, because I think it's engaged. I think it's, listen, hang on, look, ready? You ready? So you don't know if it's engaging all the time. It's because you can hear it going in, and it's definitely going in, right? And obviously the battery's no good, and you know we've got a few issues. But I mean, if that battery had any life in it, it would obviously turn over a damn sight quicker, wouldn't it? So yeah, I don't know. What do you think, guys, about the? What do you think about the underneath that my assistant's been painting? With that delightful white paint. Well, if Frankenmotor will start it or turn it over, then it's worked.
Yeah.
A net saving of a good 250 quid. So yeah. But yeah, so I am quite impressed with my own handiwork there. I think I'm going to say, with that in mind, that's another little job that I haven't got to do. So, like and subscribe. And if you want, guys, you can follow me on the next drama, which will be the water pump. Because the water pump goes straight into the steering rack. I haven't got an E-type water pump yet. So, to you soon. Bye for now.